Hello everyone, it's me Mohammad Sabla Khan. Today I am very extremely saddest about how the Indian army and the Pakistani army is fighting at the LOC line of control which is on the in Kashmir side, which is very horrible and very saddest at this moment when the whole world is in the COVID-19 pandemic situation where is this pandemic outbreak of the coronavirus was very horrifying for the whole humanity and the whole world. They are started making this extremely saddest time, making a volume of making a valuable this time by making a by fighting each other when when Saudi Arab and Yemen has also come take the notice of this coronavirus and stop fight they give away to fight discrimination for 2 weeks. But here we see the opposite what happened when the coronavirus outbreak started in India and Pakistan. They both start fighting with each other. When we know, when India knows completely that that the Pakistani army is controlling all the Pakistani cities, they are not fully involved in the on the borders as and similarly in India, because they have heavy army, they have big army than Pakistan. They are making the advantage of this time and try to smash the Pakistani side, or especially the Kashmir, which is the POK of the Pakistani side, to capture at this moment is the easiest and a soft target, not now tough and gone situation, because tough and gone situation has already melted few months before when Kashmir was unjustly occupied by Indian army last year in August. So this is a very saddest and a horrible situation, which I just want to say to the Indian and all the Pakistani common people: please awake the nation, please you awake. It is a time that India and Pakistan will unite each other and will help each other in against the coronavirus, which India largely say China virus, and to with the help of America, they want that China will help will help will give help to the countries like India and Pakistan, because there are less ventilators, less health facilities in both the nations. So China was being claimed that they are behind this coronavirus because they misjudged coronavirus, and due to their improper mismanagement, the coronavirus spread all over the globally, which is in fact also in Pakistan we agree with this particular situation. But the point is that now the coronavirus is globally everywhere. What should we can do now? We can use only the China's Wuhan model to overcome this problem. To overcome this problem is so simple that lockdown the globally India and Pakistan like Wuhan, and give facilities to your countries like the Wuhan give to the common people, to poor people and the weak people, which are suffering from the poverty at this level of the. And there is a horrible situation each and every day. Every moment we see the number of people, the number of patients becoming increasing, and the people are going to be died. As WHO have, World Health Organization have told you that please do aggressive testing, but there is no aggressive testing happening in India and Pakistan because of lack of facilities, lack of medical health. Though there are also traditional problems in India, we have seen that there in Pune and many other places, the Indian army, their medical department, they send their army medical doctors to the poor areas to test the people for about coronavirus, but they hammer the people who enter and try to kill them. It is also a very horrible situation to handle at this level. that how to change the minds, or how to told the people that coronavirus test is very necessary for everyone. If it is not tested, that anyone can be infected, can infect other people as well. As there are also many problems that line of control is happening in the border, is that the India is claiming that the terrorist Pakistan is sending to, and Pakistan is behind coronavirus to send through this in through India, which is also a wrong judgment from the India, because I always want to tell you that there is a cream, or there is a body, or there is a group of people from Indian Army and Pakistan Army and top level, major level, or I don't know what level, that they are coordinated with each other. So this filtered kind of thing will be happen from both the side, because one who entered in India, one who entered in Pakistan, how they can be sent back from Indian border to Pakistan, and how Pakistan border from one who entered in India, and how can he send back. So it means there is a proper networking, proper game plan for this game theory, which we say the agents or the agencies or their agents will also a part of this, because because you can see there are so many things which happen. You know the drug mafia, the drugs of both the side. What are the people who are trading these with each other, and so many other things which we also don't know, which they knows better than me, or better than any Pakistani or any Indian like us. So world need to know that this is a very horrible situation. Please guys, what other thing is come is the people are saying of India that is a jihad virus, or there is a corona jihad was being much becoming a trend in India and Pakistan also now. So I just want to say that jihad means in Arabic we say jihad means in Urdu jiddo-jahad, which in Urdu means sangharsh. Sangharsh means jiddo-jahad, which in English means to strive to struggle. Nothing more than this, to struggle. And like this, I want to tell you what we do, what the Indian army or Indian people just want to say, laksh. Laksh means goal. Laksh means goal in Hindi, which in Urdu means to maqsad. Maqsad means in Urdu. Laksh means maqsad in Urdu, and this what need to be know. So our laksh and our maqsad is one and similar to fight against coronavirus, which scar of our South Asia. This scar is a very good opportunity for both the countries to handle the situation from the all the PMs or the Prime Ministers of the South Asia will involve in this. Will have a definite plan to work out that decision by uniting each other, united the body. With this, I just want to tell you one thing more, that India is a big and a large country, and Pakistan should have to be united with this at this moment, and with Bangladesh and with Nepal and Bhutan and all this, Sri Lanka and Afghanistan, definitely to help each other. Because if we control coronavirus, we can control our so many problems. Because the educations, the department, the social and the work life, everything was damaged. The jobs of the people will be finished. Basically the workout of the people was finished. People are making in home gyms, home tuition, online education institutions were started, but they are not very much helpful for the student. What student learns in the institute, what learn in the university, they cannot learn in the virtual practices. We all know that. But regarding this radical movement of the coronavirus, it is a major threat. But I just want to tell you that please Pakistan, please Prime Minister Imran Khan, please Narendra Modi, I know you Narendra Modi, you say Man Ki Baat very beautifully. Your few things are quite good, but majority because in Pakistan hate you because your few steps against the Muslims community were not encouraged here in Pakistan and also in India. From Kashmir to this NRC issues of the Citizen Amendment Bill of India, everything was going to the worst to the Muslims and a non-Muslim discrimination. Why? Because, and you know, then coronavirus has not see Muslim and non-Muslims. He doesn't know Muslim or non. He just attack on coronavirus. I just want to say why we are dividing into the religious fight at this moment. Please be awake. Please do not misconduct your media powers, media houses of India. And I just want to say Pakistan media houses and Indian media houses should be unitedly work with each other, make advertisement together, make cricket matches together if it is possible, or make sponsors together to take a lot of money from the charity people, the people who give charity for the poor people, for the poor brothers and sisters, to help their, regardless of what caste, creed, color, country or religion they have, or from which place of India or Pakistan they are from, to help this, because we are third world country, we are poor country, we have to know this. If few of us are live a happily life or rich life, it doesn't mean that all peoples are equal, or they think like them equally. There are big diversities, and because of the caste, creed, color of country, there are many diversity of India and Pakistan, which is a spoiler, but which can be manageable by our wide and wise thinking. Please awake, guys. I just all want to tell you, please, it is from my inner heart, that Indian Army and Pakistan, you must be united at this moment. Help each other together. The life is too short. You know that before partition, you both are one army, Indian Army, which work for the World War II. You are in World War I. You are World War II. You both participated unitedly. Can you not united again and work for the coronavirus together again? I'm just questioning you. Please work for your nation. I know there are so many bad stories for Indian Army, from Pakistan Army, but now it is a count time again. When we pause this hate gesture from each other, from political side, from religious side, from social side, from army side, when this fascism and this radicalization, when this autocratic kind of system will be over, I just want to say, please awake, guys, please United Nations, please WHO, unite and help these India and Pakistan countries to work for the humanity, work for the globally, work for the most prestigious nations. And God bless you all. My prayers to God that they awake you, enlighten you, and God bless you. And bye bye from my side. God bless you all. Stay blessed. And we stop coronavirus together. We fight coronavirus. We all are fighters of coronavirus. And I just want to say again, wash your hand, stay healthy, live happily, and help each other. And please give away children. Do not come close to them. So please make a social distance with children. If you not make a social distance with children and young people, and please isolate your old parents or family relatives from especially children, to so that they will not be infected by the coronavirus. So this is my again appeal for all you guys, and make use of the social media and print media and media, so that the people will aware, and from both the grassroots level to the top level we can eliminate coronavirus from our society. So love you all, guys. Stay blessed.